As flood water receded in parts of the affected areas of Raigad and Ratnagiri districts in Maharashtra, massive destruction has already been left behind. The NDRF is now carrying out rescue and relief operations, but till now, over 100 people have lost their life in this deluge. Take a look now at this ground report follow-up by India Today.
Monsoon this year has been monstrous. For many parts of Maharashtra facing extreme rain fury, incessant heavy showers and flash floods. An unfolding nightmare, deluge, devastation and deaths. Worst flood havoc in the state in 40 years. Heavy rain lashed Sangli, Raigad, Ratnagiri and parts of Sindhudurg district of the Konkan region. This caused massive flooding and landslides at 11 locations and killing over 100 people. Dozens of bodies were recovered from the landslide spot of Taliye village in Raigad alone.
तिके रहते थे इधर मौसी काका और उनका लड़का कुछ नहीं बच गया ये पहाड़ कुछ नहीं बच गया.
Over 1,35,000 people have been evacuated from flood-affected areas so far. Rescue teams shifted several people from flooded areas in Kolhapur to safe shelters. Those evacuated include stranded COVID patients from flood-hit COVID centers. As Sangli Wadi area in Sangli district remains submerged in flood water, NDRF personnel are now taking the missing and stranded people from flood-hit regions.
अभी तक हमने लगभग 700 से 800 लोगों को यहां से निकालकर सुरक्षित स्थान पर पहुंचा दिया है और हम लोग जब तक ऑपरेशन हमारा जारी रहेगा, जब तक लास्ट एक बंदा भी यहां पर बिल्कुल हर आदमी सुरक्षित हो जाएगा, हमारा ऑपरेशन जारी रहेगा.
Most of these villages are without power supply and access to clean water. Power supply is yet to be restored in 80% of Chiplung town in Ratnagiri district. This district has seen some of the most devastating flooding.
जो सिचुएशन है वो थोड़ा सा कठिन है क्योंकि बारिश लगातार हो रही है. अभी बारिश थोड़ी थमी है लेकिन बारिश का कहर जारी है और इसके चलते लोगों को रेस्क्यू करने में जो परेशानी आ रही है एनडीआरएफ टीम को वो समझ में आता है. लेकिन अभी जो फिलहाल स्थिति है वो ये है कि लगातार हम लोगों को अभी कुछ दिन तक काम करना होगा.
In relief after massive destruction, the IMD has now predicted that rainfall activity across the state is expected to decrease in the coming days. Bureau Report, India Today.
And that is all for now. You can always log on to indiatoday.in, get all the latest news there. But have a great week coming up. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Take care.